I'll pick you up, we'll go eat sushi, or we'll go downtown. With our best moves we can boogie. Oh my, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us.
Fun fact about this lamp is that it's been almost 6 months but I have not bought the bulb of this lamp. मतलब मेरे को लगा था, जब मैंने इसको ऑर्डर किया था तब मेरे को लगा था कि इसके साथ मुझे बल्ब मिलेगा, बट नहीं मिला. सो आई हैव टू गो एंड बाय. मैं प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट कर रही हूँ, मैं भूल भी जाती हूँ, बट गना सून बाय द बल्ब एंड यूज दिस लैम्प एट इट्स फुल पोटेंशियल. मेरे पास कुछ आर्टिफिशियल फेक वाइन्स पड़ी हुई, बट आई डोंट नो कि मैं इसको कहाँ पर डेकोरेट करूँ. तो अभी मैं इसको यहीं पर रख देती हूँ. मेरे को सोचना पड़ेगा कि मैं इसको कहाँ पर लगाऊँ. एक मैंने यहाँ पर प्लेस की है और एक मैंने यहाँ पर प्लेस की है. ऑल्सो गाइज आई जस्ट रियलाइज कि मैंने तुमको रूम टूर नहीं दिया है. सो हेयर इज़ अ क्विक लिटिल रूम टूर. सो एज यू एंटर, दिस इज़ द हालत ऑफ माई रूम एंड दिस दिस वन अनदर डोर जिससे बाहर जाने का रास्ता है. दिस वन क्यूट सी स्मॉल सी डोर जिसमें बहुत सारे घोस्ट की स्टोरीज हम लोगों ने बनाई है. एंड माई ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर यूज टू स्केयर मी अलॉट. यहाँ पर देर इज़ दिस वन अनदर डोर जो कि दूसरे रूम में जाती है. एंड हेयर इज़ द प्लेस वेयर आई शूट माई वीडियोज़. एंड हेयर इज़ द वैनिटी, थोड़ी गंदी है. एंड दिस इज़ मी एज ऑफ नाउ एंड दिस इज़ माई डर्टी अगली एस मिरर जिसको मुझे रिसेंट में चेंज करना है. प्ले बटन अभी यहाँ पर पड़ी हुई है एंड आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ कि मैं अपनी प्ले बटन को इस वॉल पे कहीं लगाऊं, बट अभी आई एम नॉट श्योर. एंड ऑल्सो इन द फ्यूचर गाइज आई वॉन्ट टू एड सो मेनी क्यूट स्टफ्स टू माई स्टूडियो बिकॉज दैट एक्चुअली काइंड ऑफ एड्स योर एस्थेटिक एंड योर वाइब टू योर ओन प्लेस. आई हैव एडेड सो मेनी bows, like not so many but like 2 bows here, 1 bow is here, and I've also added 1 bow here. So yeah, छोटी छोटी चीज़ों से तुम्हारा स्टूडियो, तुम्हारा रूम तुम्हारा लगता है and it looks aesthetic. Now I'm gonna quickly shoot a YouTube shorts for you guys because tomorrow is Saturday and I want to post something for you guys. And after that I'm gonna go and have my dinner. मम्मी ने डोसा बनाया and this is what I love about being at home because the amount of good food you get to eat. And currently I'm watching the K-drama Queen of Tears. जब ये आया था तब मैंने इसको देखना शुरू किया था. एपिसोड 1 मैंने देखा था बट मेरे को उतना इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं लगा. बट उसके बाद अभी रिसेंटली मेरे रील्स पे इतने सारे एडिट्स आने लगे क्वीन ऑफ टीयर्स के दैट आई वाज लाइक ओके देखना पड़ेगा. एंड ऑल्सो वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स सजेस्टेड मी टू वॉच क्वीन ऑफ टीयर्स. सो करेंटली आई एम एट episode 5 or probably 6, not sure, but yeah, it's so good and I'm genuinely hooked right now. After that I'm gonna quickly go and sleep because tomorrow also I have a lot of shoots. Good night guys. अब मैं तुम लोग से कल मिलती हूँ.
I want the new game or new clothes, buy something to fill the hole. It quickly satisfies for a minute, then it dies. I want some new toys to fill the void, drown me in material noise. That's typically me, spending money to feel free. And I try to tell myself no, but then I do it all again when my dopamine is low. So sometimes I think that I am dumb and I am the symphony.
Mission successful guys. Hi guys, so I just did my laundry and it's Saturday and I actually wanted to visit my dentist, but since it's the weekends बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ होगी वहाँ पर, so I'd rather go for a movie with my family tonight. And I have a long day. I have to clean my vanity जो तुम लोगों ने पिछले vlog में देखा था, which is basically very unorganized. I have to buy some organizers वगैरह for my vanity, which I will probably do in the next vlog. But as of now, we are going to work with whatever we have in the vanity. So I'm gonna do that. And I also have to wash my hair and I have to do my skincare after that. And I'm also thinking of starting to work out. I remember I started working out in the month of June or May. Yeah, I started working out in the month of May. My brother really helped me to start working out, but then I dropped it and you know my periods came up and then फिर मैं भूल गई workout भी नाम की कोई चीज़ होती है. So I think I'm gonna go back and do my workouts वगैरह and I'm gonna take a shower, wash my hair, and after that I will shoot some videos. And after that I'm just gonna book the tickets and go for the movie with my family. I think at this point I'm like super addicted towards reels and everything, and I just want to uninstall my IG because it's like super toxic and obviously we cannot control our feed. Yeah guys, like IG is super annoying and it's like super toxic because obviously you don't know कि next video कौन सी है and you never know कि वो किस way में तुम लोग को trigger कर सकता है. And there's some kids who are making literally so annoying noise, and I've been trying to record this clip for the 5th time right now. But anyways, the mirrorless vanity behind me is a mess right now. Let's quickly fix that in the most appropriate way possible.
I'm trying so hard not to like you, but there's so much that I like, and I know that you feel the same about us. Yeah, but the timing isn't right. So I'ma just let go, let go. I've seen us more than friends, and I'ma just move on, move on. Yeah, it hurts, I won't pretend, but I'll take you by your word, and I'll walk away before it starts to hurt. So I'ma let go, let go, let go, and I'll leave it to the universe. Let's leave it to the universe. Let's leave it to the universe.
I have this cute mirror. It had a brand name on it, so I put on the stickers and now it's looking super cute. And we have my YouTube tumbler, and this is so cute guys. It also tells temperature, which I'm obsessed. This needs to be here because sis needs to be hydrated. And over here I have this cute Hello Kitty hand fan that I might use once in a while when I'm doing my makeup and I need to dry my makeup. So cute. Then over here I have this cute wallet that my friend gifted me last year on my birthday. It's from Miniso. I need to go back to Miniso as soon as possible. It's like super cute and I need to get more cutesy stuff for my vanity and for my room obviously. So that's the temporary vanity as of now. I need to get a mirror as soon as possible, but as of now we are working with this. I want to paint my nails.
Let's leave it to the universe. 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 No, I'm not gonna wait, but I'll never be too late. You're into faith and I'm into fate.
I just washed my face right now and now I'm gonna go and quickly do my skincare. मूवी की टिकट्स मैंने बुक कर ली है and I'm super excited for that. जल्दी मैं सब कुछ निपटा लेती हूँ वरना मैं लेट हो जाऊंगी. Are you guys also like very upset because of skincare overload? So when it comes to skincare, I don't like layering a lot of products because पहली बात तो गर्मी का सीजन, दूसरी बात it's like super hectic and like too much products. Oh my god, मेरे से नहीं हो पाता है. So I like to keep my skincare very very minimal. So मैं ऐसे products को include करती हूँ अपने skincare में जो actually work करते हैं. Lately I've been focusing on all my pigmentation concerns like melasma, acne marks, and obviously pigmentation. If you're also somebody who is dealing with these kind of situations and want one single product that actually works and does the job in a great way, you can follow the skincare routine that I'm following. So for the serum, I've been using the Dermaco's Transilite Pigmentation Corrector Serum that comes with the power of 2 actives. That are 3% tranexamic acid and 10% azelaic acid. Tranexamic acid is known for its skin brightening properties and it also tackles with hyperpigmentation and also with melasma by inhibiting the melanin production, giving you that radiant glow. Meanwhile, azelaic acid gently exfoliates, reducing the blemishes and redness. Smoothing out acne marks, leaving you with an even toned complexion. मैं हल्का सा गले पे भी लगाती हूँ because गले पे भी pigmentation होती है guys. Plus the added alpha arbutin controls melanin production, giving you a brighter skin tone and even skin tone. Add the serum in your skincare routine and you will see your skin transform. You'll genuinely see differences. And once you're done with the serum, don't forget to protect your skin, guys. Make sure to apply a broad spectrum sunscreen, for which I use the Dermaco's 1% hyaluronic sunscreen Aqua Gel. I've been using it for the past 2 years now. And sunscreen are actually बहुत ज़्यादा important होती है. Like if you're doing everything in your skincare routine but you're not protecting your skin with a broad spectrum sunscreen, you're doing it wrong. It offers 6 hours sun protection and it also comes with SPF 50 and PA4 plus protection. It's India's very first sunscreen to provide such an extended coverage of 6 hours. It's super lightweight, non-greasy, and it also leaves no white cast, guys. I love it. It hydrates your skin like crazy, guys, because of hyaluronic acid that it has. And it is also dermatologically tested, guys. It's safe and effective and is designed by a dermatologist. And it is also water and sweat resistant proof, guys. इस सनस्क्रीन को लगाने के बाद ना एक अलग सा ग्लो आ जाता है फेस पे because obviously it has hyaluronic acid which deeply hydrates your skin. Yeah, if you're dealing with pigmentation concerns like pigmentation itself, blemishes, acne marks and melasma obviously, so definitely use this serum. You will see significant changes in your skin. And for the right protection, make sure to use the Dermaco's 1% hyaluronic sunscreen aqua gel. And also guys, Dermaco is doing such a great job with the Young Scientist initiative, which is basically that every time you will buy from them, Dermaco will link your order to a child that they help to educate along with Bhumi, which I feel like is such a great initiative, and they have even empowered 20,000 plus students across the year. And also, all the products from Dermaco are fragrance free. You can get these on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart and Purple, and also on the official Dermaco's website. And I have a discount code for you guys as well, so you can use my coupon code Shivangi2024 to get extra 20% discount on the Dermaco's official website. I will link these products in the description, and I'll also make sure to tag it in the product tag यहाँ पर या यहाँ पर. So yeah, make sure to check it out. इस स्किन केयर को करने के बाद ना एक perfect base भी मिल जाता है for your makeup. So I'm just quickly gonna go do my makeup, shoot the videos, shoot a get ready with me. And ये सब करने के बाद मैं तुम लोग से दोबारा मिलती हूँ and हम लोग साथ में मूवी देखने चलेंगे.
Cause we gave it all, it wasn't enough. We said I love you, but it wasn't love. Now you're gonna meet somebody new, and I'm gonna be someone you knew. Cause we gave it all, it wasn't enough. We said I love you, but it wasn't love. Now you're gonna meet somebody new, and I'm gonna be someone you knew. You're gonna meet someone.
तुम बिल्कुल नहीं बदले।
आप भी एकदम वैसे की वैसे। अब बदलने से याद आया।
ये क्या है?
और आ गया
क्या ना?
अच्छे से
ये लग रहा है बारिश होगी थोड़ी सी.
मेरे साथ
देखिएगा थोड़ा दूर हो जाओ, हाथ पैर उधर ही रखना.
हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन. तुम्हें छोटा भीम पसंद है?
हाँ,
बोलता थैंक यू.
थैंक यू. कहीं नहीं दोगी?
नहीं जाएंगे, वही रक्षा करेंगे हमेशा.
दिखाओ रक्षाबंधन, दिखाओ अपना कान्हा जी को दिखाओ.
कान्हा जी नहीं, छोटा भीम है.
ये छोटा भीम
ऐसे
है.
ऐसे करके दिखा दो.
वाओ,
हमारी पूजा हो रही है. कैसा लग रहा है?
अच्छा.
मजा आ रही है? हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन. पोज मारो अपने चूहे के साथ. अपना चूहा मुझे दे दो थोड़े दिन के लिए. गिव द चूहा टू मी. थैंक यू. After 6 months of constant procrastination, finally the lamp is now looking so aesthetically pleasing, and I finally got the bulb. Also, one thing I wanted to tell you guys is that if you're watching this vlog right now on your phone, PC, tablet, laptop, TV, wherever you're watching this vlog right now, you can just record it and post it on your Instagram story, and make sure to tag me. I'll repost it on my Instagram story. Also, जिस दिन ये vlog upload करूँगी मैं, I'll make sure to come live on Instagram. I'm very active there, so make sure to follow me there. And and we are so close to 200k subscribers, guys, and I'm like, oh my god, abhi to kal hi 100k hue the. So yeah, we are so close to 200k. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, comment down this emoji if you made it this far, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my very next vlog. Make sure to eat healthy, make sure to stay hydrated, and make sure to watch my videos. Anyways, guys, I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my very next video. Until then, hi guys, and goodbye. Bye guys. Subscribe.
And I'll leave it to the universe. Leave it to the universe. Leave it to the universe. Leave it to the universe.